Do you know you can also do everything you do in CapCut in this free editing app called InShot?
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In all my previous video, I've been talking about CapCut, how you can use CapCut to do so many things. And in this video today, I will introduce to you a similar app to CapCut called InShot. You can also do everything you do in CapCut in this app. It's also free. You can edit any kind of video using this app as well, just the way you use CapCut. If you understand how to use CapCut very well, you'll be able to use this app. And if you understand how to use this app very well, you'll be able to use CapCut. So they are similar to each other, just some little differences. Maybe I will find a special day to make a video about the differences, but in today's video I just want to introduce this app to you. So as a content creator, it's very important you understand these two apps, because sometimes you might shoot a video and then you want to add some kind of effects that you might not find in CapCut that might be in this guy, while sometimes there are some kind of effects that might be here that might be in CapCut that might not be here. You understand me? That's why you need to understand the two apps. Whatever you are looking for, okay, now let's assume CapCut does not have this feature, you can easily take your video to InShot and put that feature there, then take it back to CapCut. That is why you need to understand these two apps. These two apps, they are free app. They are free app, and then they have a lot of effects, a lot of editing features, a lot of editing tools, a lot of, so it's just for you to master these two in order for you to improve your video quality. And then if you don't really know how to use CapCut very well, don't worry, I have made a lot of videos about CapCut, a lot of things like how you can start your video editing from the beginning to the end. I made that video from the scratch. I made how you can add text to your video, voiceover, a lot of videos. I will drop the link, some of the link on the description or on the comment section, wherever you may find them.
Guys, I don't want this video to be too long. Like I said earlier, I just want to introduce this app, and I will find a special day to make a video concerning the difference between the app. And then if you want to see that video and you're watching this video right now, you haven't subscribed to my channel, I believe this is the right time you should do so, so that whenever I drop that video, you'll be notified. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video.